The eyes are the windows to the soul, our gateway to the world, but we often take them for granted. Hey there viewers, and welcome back to Healthy Organic Recipes. With the increased use of computer screens and everyday pollution, eye problems have become quite a problem. Of course, there are other reasons too, like aging, eye strain, and just an unhealthy lifestyle. But these problems can be prevented by eating certain foods that are rich in eye-boosting nutrients. You probably may have heard of carrots and leafy greens being great for the eyes, but there are numerous other foods that can improve your vision. And in today's video we'll tell you what they are. Watch until the end to learn about all of them. Number 1, oranges. Oranges are one of the best sources of vitamin C. Some suggest calling it vitamin C, and quite rightly so. It helps counter the risks of cataracts and macular degeneration. Because much like the other antioxidants, it's good at preventing free radical damage. Collagen building is another way it's beneficial for your eyes, providing padding for your cornea. Number 2, eggs. Eggs are great to eat for your eye health. The yolks contain vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, which are all vital to eye health. Vitamin A safeguards the cornea or the surface of the eye. Lutein and zeaxanthin lower the chance of serious eye conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Zinc contributes to the health of the retina, which is the back of the eye. Zinc also helps you see at night. Eggs are extremely versatile and can work for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A simple way to enjoy them is by hard boiling them. Try them in salads and sandwiches. You can even eat a hard-boiled egg on its own first snack. There are plenty of ways to enjoy eggs apart from just boiling them. Number 3, grapes. Recent research has suggested that grapes can help ward off cataracts. Cataracts are one of the most common age-related eye changes you can go through. Around 18 million people undergo cataract treatment globally each year. A cataract occurs when the natural lens inside the eye becomes cloudy, which leads to impaired vision. It can be corrected by removing the lens and replacing it with an artificial one. Grapes contain antioxidants which are suspected to prevent the initial clumping of protein in the lens. This has been determined by comparing aging populations in different countries and observing the differences in their diets. Number 4, fish. Fish contains omega-3s, which are proven to help protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration and glaucoma. You might want to try particularly oily fish like tuna, salmon, and trout, as these fatty acids can help dry eye symptoms and sometimes even reverse the effects. Studies have shown that by eating dark meat fish 2 to 3 times a week you lower your chances of developing AMD. Number 5, carrots. It might be something that your parents drummed into you from a young age, but it turns out that carrots are actually really good for your eyes. They contain beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This helps with the production of rod and cone cells in your eyes. This is good for your sight in low lighting and also reduces your risk of AMD, cataracts, and glaucoma. There's some truth in that old wives' tale after all. Number 6, dairy. Dairy products such as milk and yogurt can be good for eyes. They contain vitamin A as well as the mineral zinc. Vitamin A protects the cornea, while zinc helps bring that vitamin to the eyes from the liver. Zinc is found throughout the eye, especially the retina and choroid, which is the vascular tissue that lies under the retina. This important mineral helps with night vision as well as the prevention of cataracts. Dairy from grass-fed cows provides the most benefits. You can have dairy throughout the day, drink milk with a meal, or enjoy it in a coffee and tea or breakfast cereal. Yogurt is a healthy option for breakfast or as a snack. Number 7, blueberries. These blue huge gems are rich in potent antioxidants that cushion collagen structure in the retina and provide extra vision protection. They also may improve vision in people with normal tension glaucoma, a form of the disease that damages the optic nerve. If you spend a lot of time in the sun, these antioxidants can protect your retina against damage from UV light exposure. You'll also get them from other purple and blue dark red foods like red or purple grapes, blackberries, pomegranates, and cranberries. Which is your favorite way to add berries into your diet, in salads, smoothies, or something else? Let us know in the comment section below. Number 8, almonds. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from free radical damage. Research has also found that people who have relatively high vitamin E have a 20% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. The recommended daily intake of this antioxidant is 15 milligrams, the amount in about 2 ounces of almonds. Other good sources of vitamin E include sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, vegetable oils, peanuts, and of course peanut butter. Number 9, kale. Kale, spinach and other dark leafy greens like collard and turnip greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are stored in the eye's macula. This helps shield the eye from damaging light. Lutein is especially good at filtering out blue light, which is the kind of glares from the screens of digital devices. These antioxidants also appear to help promote rich blood flow to your eyes. Lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble, so drizzle on olive oil for maximum absorption and deliciousness. Number 10, sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene gives their tubers their orange color. Your body converts beta-carotene to vitamin A nutrient that helps prevent dry eyes and night blindness. Sweet potatoes not your favorite? For beta-carotene, try other deep orange foods like butternut squash. Dark green foods like spinach and collard greens, liver, milk and eggs are also sources of vitamin A, and similar to lutein and zeaxanthin, beta-carotene and vitamin A are absorbed best when eaten with a little healthy fat such as olive oil. Do you already eat some of these foods on the list? Let us know in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you want more health tips and recipes, please subscribe to the channel.